Hi guys, my name is Chloe. I'm going to show you a video of making the stylish bracelet in Loom. All you need is rubber band. You don't even need a loom. Or you need a loom board with the pegs. But you don't really need the band because if you have elastics, you can use those too. I first stumbled across the idea using two ponytails and just pull them together. I know you're bored and I'm bored, so probably wrong quarantine. Unless you're watching this in 2025 and it's all over. Well, let's get started. I don't have a name for it, but I've named each individual one. This is the Alex because Alex and Magnus chase. His or her colors are green and pink. And this is the zebra. It's a little messy on the outside, but if you turn it on the inside, it's still really neat and intricate. If you have an idea of a name because you made it and it's like a butterfly charm or a daisy, I don't know, you can write it in the comments below, and if I like it, I will make it a name and say the winner. I'll probably choose by May 1st of 2020. So I'd recommend this board because you can take it off and we only need one row. So I'm going to be using it like this. If you have a red arrow on one of them, I'd recommend that one. But you can also use one of these, which was my first one, because it's still easy to use. But once you have it, make sure the arrow's pointing away from you. For me, it would be like that. For you, it would be like that. So I'm going to choose the colors blue and more blue. I hope that's enough. You're going to start by choosing one of the blues or both of the blues. It doesn't really matter. And just placing it on the board. You start at the first peg and place it in between the first and second peg. See, that wasn't that hard. You can keep going all the way up. I'm going to keep going. You can pause the video and resume it when you're done. Okay. See? Did you pause it and unpause it? Okay. Oh. Not one at the top. Just push down. And you finished first third of the bracelet. Next is the hair braid. You're going to take two colors and, well, this is kind of hard to explain, but I'll show you. So you're going to pull the band in between your index finger and your middle finger. Then you're going to pull your second color through. So that second color hooks onto your index finger on one hand. It's also on the other hand. The first color is still on your middle finger. You're going to take the second color and hook it and use one side and put it on the other. Either pull it, when you stretch it, either pull it or let it drop. Either way, you're going to come out with something very much like this. So it will look something like this. My sister wasn't that great at first, but then she learned and now she's a pro at it. You might want to pause it and practice a couple times. When you're ready, you can play the video. So you're still going to want to go the same way. I'm going to place my second color in the back. Like that. But you can do it whatever way. If you want to be fancy and cool and all that stuff, you can place it like that and then place it the other way and then the other, and then like this and then the other way. But for beginners, I'm gonna stay this way the whole time. So we're gonna keep doing that until we get to the end. If you want, pause the video, or if you think you're already pro, do it with me. Should I start counting along? 3. So keep doing this until you get to the end, as I already said. You may not have enough colors if you brought equal piles. You might need to get new piles of one color. You don't need new piles of both unless you want them to be even. I don't know. Okay, here we go. You might be faster than me. My hands are failing me at this age. Just disappointing because I'm so young. It's weird, isn't it? The faster I try to go, the slower it ends up. So I'll just try to do it super slow. No, that's a horrible idea, actually. No! Well, if you realize you did what I did, like put it backwards, just take them off until you get there. Put them on your finger. Pause the video if you need to. Unless you failed the same time I failed and don't need to. Okay, I just realized I didn't need to do that. But mistakes happen. Because if you do make, I'll purposely leave one to show you what happens if you do make a mistake and don't catch on until the end. Also, the faster you go, the more mistakes you make. So it's okay if I'm a little ahead of you. Just pause the video until you can catch up with me. It's okay. I want you to keep going and striving and take your time so you don't mess up like I did. Except I made it, so I'm messing up on my hand. Except never mind. Okay, last one. When you're all done, you look at your marvelous work. You're gonna pull this one up. You can use a stick to pull it up, but you don't need to. You can use your finger. The finger is better. You just gently pull it up. If you do it too rough, it might fall apart. That's not gonna be good. So just pull it up all the way to the end. And grab the ones at the end. So you're gonna want to put a hook on them because, well, that's just a good idea. So it doesn't fall apart. Once you have the hook on it, let's go to wear. Now it might be a little tight depending on the size of your arm. If you have a longer board, make it longer, or you could attach the two of these together to make it longer, and you don't have to go all the way to the end. If you want to like do it yourself after you try it on, or if you're skinnier, you don't have to go all the way up. But you've got your bracelet. I like it. Not as good as my zebra. Not my favorite like my zebras, but still good. So I'm gonna be making another video by March 1st, I'm betting. If I don't get enough. But when I have 10 likes, I'm gonna make another one. Or I'm just gonna make one on March 1st. Unless I get like a lot of views, then I'll make another one. Oh, not March 1st, May 1st. Thank you, camera lady. It's May 1st. I'll be making another one. Oh, my thumb's done. Okay. So on my first, you can check back. I don't know, it's probably gonna be in the morning. Or if I get like a lot of views or 10 likes, make sure you put a like in the box below. If you have an idea to make, like I made a bumblebee, I can try to teach you how to make a bumblebee because actually somebody else made this bumblebee and I learned from them. But it's by Crafty Ladybug. If you want to search that up, it's really fun to make. I recommend it. But if you can't find that and you want me to make one, I can show you. Or like I could try this seagull. I had an epic fail of and it doesn't have a body. Or like something else. Just if you have any recommendations, put it in the box and go do something like play outside unless it's raining. Or watch this video again and make another one. Or do something. But have fun, don't get coronavirus and stay safe.